So hello all, in this video we will talk about probability of class 10th chapter 15. So that is a very easy chapter. So basic introduction I have shown you already in the link above. A basic introduction of probability is already given. So this is the formula for probability of any event E. Probability of any event E is equal to number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. So let's start the exercise directly. Exercise 15.1, chapter 15. So always remember that in each and every single question you have to write this formula wherever it is required, right? Probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E is always equal to 1. We all know probability of E plus probability of not E is equal to 1. So answer is 1. B. The probability of an event that cannot happen is impossible event. The event which cannot happen is impossible event. Impossible event. Such an event is called impossible event, and the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0, right? Because it cannot happen, so probability is 0, and such events is called impossible events. C. The probability of an event that is certain to happen is, certain means it will definitely happen, right? If somebody is having some nutritive food, or somebody is having some apple or some mango which is healthy, so definitely you'll get some nutrients, right? So probability of such events is 1, and such events are called certain events, right? Such an event is called certain event or sure events, right? That is sure to happen. The sum of probability of all the elementary events of an experiment is, the sum of probabilities of all elementary events is always 1. Probability of E1 plus probability of E2 plus probability of En is always 1. Sum of probabilities of an event is always 1. E. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and lesser than or equal to 1. So probability of an event E is always greater than or equal to 0 and lesser than equal to 1. So these are fill-ups, right? Next, second question, which of the following experiment has equally likely outcome? Equally likely outcome means probability of events is equal, right? Probability of experiment is equal. So a driver attempts to start a car, the car starts or does not start. So we are not sure about it, right? Because there may be some mechanical problem in it. The car, it also depends on the model number, it also depends on year of manufacturing of that car, it also depends on working condition of car. So these are not equally likely outcome. This will not be an equally likely outcome. Second, I'll do here. No, not an equally likely outcome. I have given you the reason, because everything depends on the model number, the condition of road, maintenance, year of manufacturing. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. He shoots or misses the shot. If he or she is an experienced player, so definitely he'll get the shot, right? Or if he is a newcomer or he don't know how to play, then he will miss it. So there are so many factors on which this also depends. So this is also not an equally likely outcome. No. A trial is made to answer a true or false question. The answer is true or right or wrong. Obviously, either the answer will be wrong or the answer will be right. So both the probabilities will be 1/2. So yes, it is equally likely outcome. A baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. Obviously, this is also Yes, equally likely outcome, because we don't know if either it can be a boy or it can be a girl, right? So next, third question: why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team would get the ball at the beginning? Okay, whenever a football, at the starting of a football game, it is convenient to toss, right, to decide which team is going to get the ball first, right? So why is it convenient? Because we know that a coin has two faces, right? Coin has two faces, head or tail, right? Both of them are equally likely to happen, right? Probability of head also is equal to 1 by 2, probability of tail is also 1 by 2. So that means both of them are equally likely to happen, right? So probability of both of them is same, so both the teams will get equal chance to get the ball. So this is a fair way to decide which team is going to get the ball, right? So that's why it is more convenient to toss a coin to decide which team is going to get the ball. Next, fourth: which of the following cannot be a probability? Okay, we know that probability cannot be lesser than 0 and probability cannot be greater than 1, right? So 2 by 3 is less than 1 and in between 0 and 1, right? Minus 1.5 is not possible because it is negative. Probability of an event cannot be negative. So second is not possible, right? Next, fifth question. Fifth question is probability of an event E is 0.05. Probability of E is 0.05, right? So we have to find out the probability of not E. So probability of E plus probability of not E is equal to 1. So probability of E is 0.05, 0.05 plus probability of not E is equal to 1. So probability of not E is 1 minus 0.05, which is 0.95. Probability of not E is 0.95. So this is our answer, right? So this is question number 5. Next, question number 6. So in question number 6, a bag contains lemon flavored candies only, right? Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. Find the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy. Now if bag contains only lemon colored candy, so there are no chances of getting an orange colored candy, because let's say let X be the number of lemon colored candy, right? Lemon colored candy. So probability of orange colored is equal to total number of orange colored X 0 upon total candies X, because only lemon colored candies are there, right? So 0 upon X is 0. Next, probability of lemon colored candy, probability lemon is equal to total candies of lemon colored X, total candies X is equal to 1, because favorable outcome we have lemon colored candies only, which is X. Total outcome also we have X, so X upon X is 1. Next, 7th, right? So it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.092. Probability not same birthday is 0.992. So probability that the 2 students have same birthday, probability of same birthday is equal to 1 minus probability of this not same birthday, right? because we all know probability of an event E plus probability of not E is 1, right? Reason you can write in bracket. So probability of this is equal to 1 minus 0.992, which is 0.008. So this is our answer, right? Next, question number 8. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the ball is red, right? So red balls 3, white balls, black balls 5, right? So total is equal to red plus black, which is 3 plus 5, which is 8. So total we have 8 balls. Now we have to find out probability that the ball is red. So probability of red is equal to red upon total. So 3 upon 8. Probability of not red is equal to black upon total. So 5 upon 8. So not red is 5 upon 8. Red is 3 upon 8. Just write the formula before doing it. Next, question number 9. A bag contains 5 marbles, 5 red marbles. Okay, so a bag is there having 5 red marbles. Question number 9th. So red marbles 5, white marbles 8, green marbles 4, right? So total will be 5 plus 8 plus 4, 9 plus 8 is 17, right? 8 and 5, 13 and 4, 17. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be a red? So probability of red will be again 5 upon 17. Red marble, number of red marbles upon total marble. Total marble is 17. Number of favorable outcome upon total outcome, this. Next, probability of white. So probability of white marbles are 8, total marbles 17, so 8 upon 17. Easy, ekdam. Next, probability of not green is equal to, not green means except green we can have red and white. So 5 plus 8, 5 for red and 8 for white upon 17, 13 upon 17. This is our answer, right? So let's take one more question. Okay, we'll do it in the next video. So thank you all for watching the video. In this video we have covered till 9 questions of this chapter. In the next video we will solve further questions, right? So thank you for watching it.